Namaste everyone and welcome back to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. In this video I am going to share what all you need to take along with you in case you are planning to go for Vipassana retreat. So yeah, without any delay, let's start the video. I highly recommend you to go and attend Vipassana retreat once in a lifetime, at least. Sooner the better. I have taken 2 Vipassana retreats so far. So based on my personal experience, I'm going to share what all you need to keep in your luggage if you are going for Vipassana retreat in India, because I'm not aware of the services and facilities available for Vipassana retreat outside India. Bed sheet and pillow cover. They will have a sheet and a pillow cover on the pillow, but for hygiene reasons it would be good to have your own personal pillow cover and bed sheet. A blanket, a thick blanket if you are going in winters. They do provide blanket, but sometimes one blanket is not enough. Mosquito repellent or odomos, because they do provide the mosquito net, but sometimes it's not in a good condition, so it's advisable to keep a mosquito repellent or odomos. Alarm clock, because you will be depositing your mobile phones. And you need to wake up early in the morning at around 4:15 a.m. So it's important you keep an alarm clock with you. A water bottle. This is what I forgot in my first retreat. This is must have. You need to keep a water bottle for yourself, because if you forget it, what happened with me in my first retreat, then if at all you need water at night, you have to go all the way to where water cooler is. In my first retreat it was close to our rooms, but in our second retreat it was not very close to the room and it was winters, so it's important to have a water bottle with you. A torch, yes, you need to keep a torch also, because what happened in the second retreat, there was a power cut. It was not for a very long duration, but yes, there was a power cut, and in case you want to go out to fill your water bottle at night, you need to have a torch with you. So just in case you need it. Toothpaste, toothbrush, hand wash. This is what I forgot in the second retreat. I forgot to keep my hand wash. So what I did, a girl, she gave me sachet of shampoo, and that's what I used for 10 days, one sachet as a hand wash. So yeah, you need to keep hand wash. Shampoo, soap. When you are going for such retreats, detoxifying retreats, it's important, it's advisable if you can, avoid any kind of chemicals. Like you should not do any sort of makeup, nothing should be applied on the face, and if you can skip your soap and shampoo in bathing also, while you're bathing, that would be good as well. Like in my case, I did not shampoo my hair, I did not use soap while bathing, so I just took a shower every day before my practice. But yes, for cleansing you need to keep your cleansing your clothes, especially your undergarments. For that you need a soap. Slippers. If you're going to the center wearing your shoes, it's important you keep a pair of slippers with you so that you can have an easy move around. When it comes to how many clothes you should keep, I would say keep enough clothes, keeping in mind that you're going to be there for 10 days. The laundry service may not be available. Sometimes laundry services, they say that they do have, but what happens is when you reach during that particular time, it could be out of service, like it happened in our case. So you need to be mentally prepared and keep a backup. So they always recommend you to keep enough clothes so that you can spend 10 days without any interruption, and you need to spend maximum time in your practice. So so keep enough clothes so that you don't have to wash your clothes. Washing your clothes is okay, you'll get enough time, but they highly encourage you not to involve yourself in doing anything else except the practice and relaxation time. Whatever you are given, that is to relax yourself. So that's why for me three pair of clothes were enough for me, because I don't mind repeating my clothes without washing, because I won't be doing any sort of activity there which will make my clothes dirty. So for me 3 to 4 pair of clothes were enough. So you need to see what is your personal need, what could be your personal need. Sanitary pad if your dates are coming. I made a mistake here in my second retreat. I forgot my sanitary pad, and my dates came. So I got my periods on the second day itself. So yeah, what happened, that I will cover in any other video. But yes, you need to keep sanitary pad with you as well if you think your dates can come. Keep your medicines with you if you are on medication. One more thing I would suggest, when you are going for any such retreats, make sure you keep your jewelry, you take out your jewelry and keep it at home. Okay, when you are going there, do not wear any sort of jewelry. Why I'm saying so, understand what you are going to do there. You're going for a spiritual practice, and Vipassana basically is the practice where you are going to live a beggar's life. Whatever is given to you, you have to manage with it. Whatever kind of room is given, whatever kind of food is given, you have to live with it. So, because you are going to live a beggar's life, make it as real as you can. Keep simple clothes, simple, comfortable clothes, which you wear at home, and keep your jewelries at home. Any expensive things that you are wearing, just keep it aside, leave it at home, and then go for such retreats. So yeah, that would be my suggestion, to make the experience as real as you can. So yes, I have covered all the items that you need to keep with you when you're going for Vipassana retreat. If you still have any confusion, question, you can put it in the comment box and I will answer to it. One of the gentlemen has commented in one of the Vipassana video to prepare a video so that they can be mentally prepared before going for Vipassana. How to motivate and prepare one's mind for attending such retreat, so that they do not leave the retreat in between and come back. So it's a good theme, and I'm going to prepare a video on this theme and share with you in the next video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Namaste, take care.